Miniature succulents are a diverse group of plants known for their compact size and unique shapes, making them a favorite among plant enthusiasts. From the popular Haworthia and Echeveria to the adorable Sedum and Crassula, there are numerous types to explore. Their low maintenance requirements and ability to thrive in various environments have contributed to their rise in popularity. Whether displayed individually or in charming arrangements, miniature succulents add a touch of greenery to any space, making them a must-have for both experienced gardeners and beginners. Selecting the right pot and soil is crucial for the health and growth of miniature succulents. Opt for pots with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and root rot, promoting healthy root development. When it comes to soil, ensure a well-draining mix specifically formulated for succulents and cacti, such as a blend of potting soil, sand, and perlite. This allows excess water to escape quickly and helps prevent moisture-related issues. By providing the best pots and soil for your miniature succulents, you create an environment where they can thrive and display their beauty. Proper watering is essential for the well-being of miniature succulents. These plants prefer to be watered sparingly, allowing their roots to dry out between waterings to prevent issues like root rot. Overwatering can lead to waterlogged soil, causing the roots to suffocate and potentially killing the plant. Signs of overwatering include yellowing, mushy stems, or wilting leaves. By understanding the importance of watering techniques and recognizing the signs of overwatering, you can maintain the health and vitality of your miniature succulents for long-lasting enjoyment. Sunlight is crucial for the growth and well-being of miniature succulents. These plants thrive in bright, indirect light, making them perfect indoor companions near a sunny window or under grow lights. Direct sunlight exposure can cause sunburn and damage their leaves, so it's important to provide filtered light or partial shade, especially during the hottest parts of the day. By understanding the sunlight requirements of miniature succulents and ensuring they receive the right amount of light, you can promote healthy growth, vibrant colors, and overall plant happiness. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your miniature succulents healthy and thriving. Pruning helps promote new growth, shape the plants, and remove any dead or damaged parts. Propagation allows you to expand your collection by creating new plants from cuttings, offsets, or leaves. Whether using stem cuttings or division, propagation methods vary by succulent type but generally involve allowing the cutting to callus before planting in well-draining soil. By exploring maintenance techniques and propagation methods, you can enhance the beauty of your miniature succulent collection and enjoy the rewards of caring for these unique plants.